Hello everyone. Okay, we'll be starting in a minute as people are still joining. So we will be starting in a minute. Hello. So good to see you all on this platform today. Let's wait for some time and then we will begin. Okay? Hi everyone. Hello. Okay. All right, so I think we should start and then people might just, they will join after some time. Let's begin. So, first of all, a very happy new year to everyone out there, and I wish that your family, remains healthy, safe. So, today we're going to talk about the New Year resolution. All right, and we will be having this discussion. Y'all can tell me in the chat box. Okay, yeah. So, in the chat box, y'all can drop your answers. And my question is before even I ask a question, what is New Year resolution? I have heard of this since I was a child about New Year resolutions. We celebrate New Year and we have these resolutions. So, what is the use of such resolutions? New Year resolutions are made in the new year and you do particular things. All right, you list particular things rather that you are going to do in this year. All right, you list a particular things that you're going to do this year. It can also be called as New Year goals. Okay, New Year goals like maybe I want to improve in my studies or maybe I have to take more care of my health. Anything that can be a goal. And you will follow that. If you want to achieve something, you need to be very, very persistent about it. So today on this platform, I am going to share some things that will help you to maintain your resolution. Okay, so that you can follow it. See, making resolution is just like very simple. It's just as easy as taking a pen and a paper, noting down something and forgetting the very next day. Alright, so before I even start, I want to know what are your New Year resolutions. I don't want to know all your resolutions. Any one resolution that is the number one. Okay, you can tell me in the chat, in the comment. Yes, people are joining now. Alright, hi everyone, those who joined now. Okay, you can tell me in the comment that what are your New Year resolutions. It can be anything. Have you at least made some resolutions? Have you made resolutions? Have you planned what you're going to do this year? Yes, I would love to know that from you all. That what are your resolutions? What are your plans? What is that one special thing you're going to do this year? It can be anything. Okay, it can be maybe you're going to improve in your studies, the students out there, or you're going to improve your health, or you're going to, spend a lot of time with your family, right? It can be anything. Just let me know if you all can hear me. Please type a yes if you all can hear me. Am I audible? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, fine. So, yes, what are your New Year resolutions? You all can share with me. Okay, thank you so much for confirming. What are your resolutions? What are you going to plan for this year? Or what have you planned already? Because at least a week has been passed. So there must be some plan, right? Okay, AK Akash 0102. Akash, just check your network. Check your network, please. Others have confirmed that that I am audible, that they can hear me. They have confirmed that. Okay, let's come back to the topic. So you all must be thinking, ma'am, what is, what is this New Year resolution? See, a resolution is something you promise yourself in the beginning of the year. Very easily you promise, but you don't deliver it. You don't deliver it. Okay, that means if you say that, my New Year resolution is I will wake up at 6 a.m. every day. What time? 6 a.m. Alright. And for a day or two, you will do that. For a day or two, you will do that. And afterwards, maybe you will not follow that. Okay. Afterwards, you will not follow that. So that's useless. If you make a New Year resolution, it's not important to make 10 New Year resolutions. Not at all. Make one resolution and follow it. That's enough. Make only one resolution and follow it. That's enough. Okay. So how will you follow that? Number one should be discipline. Now, how will you, inculcate discipline in you? How will that discipline factor come? How will that factor come? By your behavior. Okay. The things you are doing on daily basis. I'm not talking about things you do occasionally. I'm talking about the things that you do on daily basis. Alright. So whatever you do, if you do it in a proper manner, that means there is discipline. And there is a bridge between accomplishment and goals. And you can cross that bridge only if you have discipline in you. Vaishnav, I hope my voice is clear now. Okay. So first point is discipline. Without discipline, we are not going to go far in our lives. We are not going to grow at all. A continuity. You're doing something, you should keep doing it without taking any pauses. It's very, very important. Okay, so that's the first thing, discipline. Secondly, when we talk about this topic, the most important thing is that whatever you do it with, again there will be one more D called dedication. Now what is dedication? It's like nothing can stop you from doing your work. Okay, in times of like when you study, and even if the lights are not there for a couple of months, still you study. You take a lamp and you study, you work hard because you believe that once you work hard, you will achieve success. And that is true. Working hard will determine you. It will determine your success. And working hard never fails. Hard work never fails. So dedication and discipline, very important. So I hope now you understand what are New Year resolutions. It can be anything. It can be like waking up early in the morning. It can be like starting exercise, doing it daily, or studying daily for so and so hours. It can be anything. Okay. So you should understand that whatever resolution you have made, when you're writing it down or when you're thinking about it, that's not enough. There is a quote in English, walk the talk. Walk the talk means whatever you are talking about or whatever you are promising to yourself, you should take action. Take action and then only you will be able to achieve it. Okay? It is rigorous and that's what is my third point. So I hope, just put a yes in the comment box. Please be interactive. Okay? Please put a yes if you understood. So the first thing is discipline. The second thing is dedication. That you need. I'm talking about things that you need. Okay, so you need all these things. Next, if you want to do something on a regular basis, alright, on a regular basis if you want to do something, then you must be consistent. Now what is consistent meaning? Consistent means, okay, thank you Rajkumar for saying yes. I want interactions please. So if I'm asking something, at least you can say yes or no. Okay Joy, thank you so much. Alright. Okay, so now the next is consistency. Consistency means what? I will give you an example to explain this. Okay, suppose you are the topper of your school for the first 9 years. That means from the first to ninth standard, you have been a topper. Okay, you have been a topper. And in your 10th grade, in the first unit test, you have failed, example. You have not passed it. So, people will not remember your 9 years of being a topper. But that one time you failed, that is what they will remember. So, consistency is very important. Your performance should be consistent. It should be same. You should be on the growing path. Now that doesn't mean that you will not get failures in life. Failures are a part of your life. As life is full of joy, happiness, as well as gloomy days, sadness. Similarly, life is all about failure and success. It's not that you will only get success. You will go through a lot of failure until you reach success. Okay, so that also you should remember. So, dedication, discipline and consistency. Consistency. Alright, these things are very, very important when you consider about your New Year resolutions or your goals. I don't call it New Year resolutions. I say goals or your whatever aim you have a particular aim and you're kind of you are working hard to achieve it. Whatever is your aim, believe in yourself. That's my next point. Okay. Now why is that important? In my list, the very important factor that I consider is believing in myself. If I don't believe in myself, how am I going to do new tasks? How am I going to embrace opportunities? I won't be able to do that because my mind will be like a no. It's like just a no will come in my head whenever I'll try something new. So that is why I will believe in myself. Similarly, whatever you are doing, believe in yourself. And then you understand that there are miracles in your life. Believe in yourself means that whatever happens, you will not give up on yourself. Now that is another thing. Give up on yourself. Huh? You will never say that, I cannot do it anymore. You will never say all these things. That's what I mean. Alright. So believe in yourself. Those who have joined now, welcome. Alright. Let's continue. So all these things are important. Now you will say that what are the things that stop us, from following our resolutions or goals? And that's very, very important. That one thing that stops you is procrastination. Now what is this procrastination meaning? It means when you are supposed to do a task and you are like, I will do it later and later and later. That is why it is said tomorrow never comes. I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow you will say, I'll do it on Monday. Monday you will say, I'll do it next Monday. Don't we do this? Yes or no? Does this happen with us? We delay our work, just say yes or no quickly. Don't we delay a task that we can complete today? Okay, a work that we can complete today. Don't we delay that work by saying I will do it tomorrow? Come on, let me know in the chat box. Come on. Yes or no? Don't you delay your work? We all do that. But that's what we are not supposed to do. Okay, if we procrastinate, if we are just sitting and doing nothing, we are wasting time, we are not going to go anywhere. So if you want to really accomplish something in your life, you just need to begin. For me, I define new year as a new beginning. What is new year? New year is a new beginning. That's what I define it as. Beginning of positivity, beginning with lots of gratitude, beginning with lots of blessings, and a new beginning which is waiting for all of us. So if you haven't thought about your new year resolution yet, then you need to think about it today. When you plan out something, then it becomes very organized, and when you organize, you know what is to be done, right? So procrastination we should never do. We should never procrastinate, never. It will stop you from reaching your goal. If you want to go, if you want to travel, you need to step out of your house. That's when you will go on your journey, right? So if you want to do something, set your plans to action and then see the miracle. Okay, that's very important. Positive thoughts. It's our mind, when we think about something, think of trying something new, what will happen? Two things will be in front of us, like in our head. One will be like, okay, let's do it, and the other will be like, no, let's not do it. There might be problems. How we will do it? But that's not the case. If you don't try, how are you going to do something? Like there's a quote. If you are making mistake, that means you're trying. If you try, you make mistakes, and then the best part is you learn from those mistakes, and then you can start afresh. You can start. That is why it's a new beginning. And why only for the new year? Every day is a new beginning. Every single day is a new beginning. Do you agree or no? Come on. Tell me in the chat box. Yes or no? Every day is a new beginning. Yes or no? What do you think? Every day is a new beginning. Alright. Because every day you wake up, you have a fresh day in front of you. The blunders that you have made yesterday, you can rectify them. The errors that you have made yesterday, you can rectify them today. You have a chance. Right? So set your goals. Set your goals. And then follow them. My point is that making New Year resolutions, we all do it. But follow your goal. Follow it. Once you start following, you will see miracles. Okay. So it's very important. Make a goal. Today itself, in the next now, I will be coming live once a week to share my experiences with all of you and interact with all of you. So today, if you haven't made any New Year goals, it's high time you should be making it now. You should know what has to be done this year. You should know what you will do, what you will improve, the things that went wrong in 2021. How are you going to change them? How are you going to rectify them? It's in your today. So start. It doesn't need a lot of overthinking. It only needs you to begin. Once you begin, there's no looking back. You are on a different journey. Okay. So I hope that was clear for all of you. And I think that's it for the day. Please set your goals. It's up. New Year resolutions are about goals. So set them, and then you will see the difference. For today, just take this in your head, and while you leave, just take this point that every day is a new beginning, every moment is precious. Don't waste time, improve yourself, work on yourself, and you will see how you grow. And thank you so much, first of all, today for joining me on my live session. I express my gratitude to everyone who is here and who has joined the session. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something from today's session. I would like to say a goodbye to all of you, and let's meet sometime in future. Again, maybe next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.